Yes, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send a fax message from your VIVO X90 Pro. So to start, you have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the EasyFax. Decide that you want to get notification and add the permissions to the files and to the camera. Okay, now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from your gallery, like this one. Of course, you can select more than one picture. Okay, if you're ready, click import, and now just add this as shape to your document. If you're ready, click here, and now choose a filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. And you can add a signature, text, and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. Now just type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and you can give a small note here, optional, you can see. And if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, just click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send this one, just buy or get free your credits, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.